India's very own Warren Buffet Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's passing away has put a spotlight on the 30,000 crore rupee worth of stocks held by the famed investor, whose trades were always closely followed. Sakshi Batra gets you his top holdings and the biggest hits and misses of RJ's portfolio.
Well, the passing away of the big bull is truly the end of an era. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has left behind him a legacy of taking the equity cult to the masses and a portfolio worth nearly 32,000 crore rupees. Some of his biggest holdings at the end of the June quarter in terms of value included names like Titan, the stock that elevated Jhunjhunwala from just another successful investor to one of the world's greatest. He held a 5.05% stake in Titan worth about 11,000 crores. 5.5% stake in CRISIL, a great bet from the early 2000s, which is now worth more than 1,300 crore rupees. Also, when you talk about a 17.5% stake in Star Health, which is now worth over 7,000 crore rupees in his portfolio, a 14.4% stake in Metro Brands. Now, while the initial investment by Jhunjhunwala in this company is unknown, today Metro Brands is one of the biggest bets in his portfolio, which is amounting to 3348 crore rupees, and a 1% stake in Tata Motors worth about 1731 crores. Now, some of the other significant holdings of his portfolio also include 23.4% stake in Aptech, a 12.5% stake in NCC, over a 10% stake in Nazara Tech, a 9.8% stake in Rallis India, around 8% stake in Agrotech Foods, Vatek Vabag and Geojit Financial Services, among others. Overall, he has a 47 company portfolio at the end of June quarter in his portfolio as well. Some of these he held for over 10 years too. Now, while some of his calls have proven to be big hits, there are others that have also gone wrong. And among his big misses, one would count Diwan Housing Finance, which perhaps was one of the biggest miscalculations of Jhunjhunwala's investing career. In 2013, Jhunjhunwala bought 25 lakh shares at 135 rupees a share for 34 crores. Just a decade later, the company went into liquidation. Mandhana Retail, one of the RJ's biggest bets in his career, that is bombed. He also bought about a 12% stake in this company in 2016 when the stock was trading at around 247 rupees a share. He exited when the stock was down at 16 rupees. However, perhaps in a tribute to the legend today, we saw shares of Singer India, the company that is engaged in the business of manufacturing sewing machines, getting locked at upper circuit of 20% amid reports that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala's firm, Rare Enterprises, has bought over a 10% stake in the company through a bulk deal. However, the final data of the bulk deal will come later, giving us the confirmation of the same as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.